Hello there, this is Michael and you're welcome. This video is the weekly Forex market forecast, and in this video we're looking at the EURNZD, EURCAD, CADCHF and NZDJPY currency pairs. Before we get into the business of the day, let me introduce you to some of my products. This is the Forex account management service that I offer. And also this is the premium Forex signal service that I offer as well. So for the account management service, you earn as much as 15 to 20% monthly. If you let me handle your trading accounts, let me handle your Forex trading accounts and manage your Forex trading accounts, you can get as much as 15 to 20% profit and even much more monthly, right? We also have a referral bonus of 15% commission from our cut of the profit made. So there will be a profit sharing ratio. You make as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and we get our cut, and you also get your cut, and your trading account will keep increasing progressively like that, right? So if you are interested in this Forex management service that I offer, Forex account management service, and if you're interested in this Forex account management service that I offer, my contact is in the description below. It is my direct Telegram contact. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and how you can be part of what we do, right? So it is really going to help your trading and help you take your profits to the highest possible level. So you earn as much as 15 to 20% profits and even much more monthly, and you get a commission of 15% for everybody that you get on board. So the next product, the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly. Now, I have realized that a lot of people have been trading for many years and still don't know what to do. They still don't know how to sustainably make profits, and it is crazy, and I know how terrible that can be when you have been in the market for so long and you still don't get it. But the Forex market is quite different from many other kind of businesses out there. The Forex market needs a lot of patience, needs a lot of understanding to make profits. So while you're still in the process of learning all that, or maybe you're no longer interested in all that, you can get, or even if you are already a profitable trader yourself, you can make much more profit with the premium Forex signal service that I offer. This goes for $200 monthly, and it is highly profitable, right? For $200 monthly. Yes, I know the price looks different from a lot of you see out there, but one thing you need to know is this: I promise you, it is much more value than the $200 that you are paying for it, right? It is much more value than you get much more value than the $200 you're paying for it. So this the signals I provide on this platform, on the signal service, are from tested and trusted trading systems. Trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years are what I use to derive these signals. And I myself, I'm in this market to make money. I'm making money trading. I also know that selling signals would also make me some money, so I'm doing that. Since I'm making money trading, I'm going to also make money selling signals. I'm also going to make money, managing Forex accounts as well, right? So you can also be part of what I do, and I only give on this signal service, I only post trades that I take myself, right? So I'm not one of those, I don't know if signal service providers do that, but I do not give signals that I don't take myself, right? I only give signals that I take myself because I know how profitable they can be, and I also don't want to miss out on that. So that's one thing you can take to the bank. This is really, you make a lot of money. You'll take your trading profits to the highest possible level following this signal service. Now also you can use the same contact, my direct Telegram contact in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let's talk about how you can start working with me, how you can start getting the signals and also making a lot of money. So that is that for the products I have for you: the Forex account management service, which you get as much as 15 to 20% profits monthly, and also the premium Forex signal service, which you get for $200 monthly. We are here to serve you. I am here to serve you. So let's get back to the business of the day. So let's get started right away. Now, for EURNZD, let's take a look at the monthly time frame. What do we see? Well, we see the spin bar, but this is not this month's candle. The new month's candle hasn't loaded yet. So let's go down to the weekly. What do we see? We see a bearish candle. That was last week's candle. And we see all this bearish moves in the market so far. So now in the daily time frame, using the daily time frame as an execution time frame, what should we expect from the market? Now, if price comes into the zone, using this daily time frame as my execution time frame, this will be my prediction. If price comes into the zone, that's the 1.76074 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I would suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a one-to-one buy. Go for a one-to-one risk-reward ratio buy trade right there if it meets your confirmation. Don't forget, only if it meets your confirmation should you take that trade. It's very important that you take note of that. So now, if that scenario doesn't show up, what else could we be looking out for? Well, if we see price come into the zone, you will see price come into the 1.80949 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest that you go for a sell, a one-to-one risk-reward ratio sell opportunity right there if the scenario meets your confirmation. If it meets your trading confirmation, you can take it. Now let's go to the EURCAD currency pair. Now for EURCAD, let's go to the monthly time frame. It's been well, what are we going to say? What are we going to call this? It's been everywhere actually. It's not really bullish, not bearish either. So it's just there. So we can't really say it's a trending market right now. So what do we look out for? This is a weekly time frame. We see the market trying to make higher highs. We see price pushing higher. So the daily time frame, using the daily time frame as an execution time frame, this is my prediction. So if we see price come into this if we see price come into the 1.51772 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, we see price come into that zone and give us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio sell right there. You can go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio sell right there if it happens, if it meets your confirmation. Or if we see price come back into this 1.50391 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy trade right there as well. A one-to-one risk reward ratio buy trade using the daily time frame as execution time frame. Don't forget, in both scenarios, or in either of those scenarios, do not take those trades if they don't meet your confirmation. So let's go to the next currency pair, which is CADCHF. Now for CADCHF, currency pair, what should we expect? Well, we've seen cards here. Let's look at the monthly time frame. You see CADCHF has been very bearish over the years. The weekly time frame as well, very bearish. Now we see price also pushing, we see price giving us some bullish look. But how far is it going to go? We can't say for now. But now we can look at this. If we see price come into this if you see price come into the 0.63103 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I suggest you can go for a sell, right? A one-to-one risk reward ratio sell right there. That's a very good one right there. If it meets your confirmation, only if it meets your confirmation, right? I think you can also look out for this, although this is very far away. You can look out for an opportunity right here, where if price comes into the 0.64357 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio sell at that zone as well. In either of those cases, make sure the trade meets your confirmation before you take them. It's very important. Now let's go to the NZDJPY currency pair. So now for NZDJPY currency pair, let's take a look at the monthly time frame. We're seeing price, go higher, and now we saw this monthly time frame bearish candle. Now we saw a pin bar in the month of August in the monthly time frame. So what should we expect? Now let's go to the daily time frame. Using the daily time frame as the execution time frame, this is what I would predict. Now if market opens and we see price come into this 89.881 zone, you will see price come into this zone, this 89.881 zone, and price gives us a bearish day close. If price gives us a bearish day close below that zone, right, I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one sell trade right there. You can go for a one-to-one sell trade because you can go for a one-to-one sell trade, and that will be enough because this is a very bullish market currently, in spite of what has happened in spite of what happened in the month of July. This is still very bullish. So just go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio sell trade in such a scenario, right? And that should be enough for that kind of scenario. So I'm trying to look for another opportunity where we can see a bullish scenario in the market. But there are a couple of zones you can pick from. Let's look at this. Let's look at this one. That looks quite good. Yeah, it does, but I think I'm more convinced with this right here. I think I'm more convinced with that one. Yeah, so I'm going to take this out. I'm more convinced about that rather. So now, if in another scenario we see price come lower, push lower, and come into this 86.564 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I suggest that you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy trade, go for a one-to-one risk reward ratio buy trade, or better still, you can target maybe a 2-to-1 or even much more than that, and you might be lucky enough to catch the next leg of the bullish trend, because this is a very bullish market. So you can go for a one-to-one and just close it out there, or better still, you can go for a one-to-one as your first target and then hold on and see how far price may go. You can go as far as you can hold it as far as the 87.76 zone, or even as far as, letting it break above the July high as well. Whichever one you're comfortable holding and whichever one you think is good for you based on your own trading strategy and your confirmation. Don't forget, don't all of the analysis I made in this video, if they don't meet your confirmation, don't take any of them. But if they do, you are good to take them. So I think that's that for the NZDJPY currency pair. Thank you. Thanks for watching today's video. Before we go, I'd like to tell you about the products that I offer: the Forex account management service and the Forex premium Forex signal service as well. Now, for the account management service, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly if you let me trade your account. If you let me manage your account, you get as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly, and even much more. And also, if you get anyone on board to do business with us, you get a 15% commission from my part of the profit. You get a 15% commission. Now, the trades I take on the Forex account management service are highly profitable trades and high probability trades only. That's the way I trade. That's the way I've been trading. High probability and high profits only, right? So this is what I do, and this is how you make a lot of money. There's a profit sharing ratio. When you come into my DM, we talk about that. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and let's chat about how you can be part of this service that I offer, right? How you can be part of this service, how you can also benefit from this service that I offer. Come into my DM. My Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's talk about how you can be part of what I offer, right? Now to the Forex signal service. Now, with the premium Forex signal service, which goes for $200 monthly, you get highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest possible level with profit making. I know $200 looks really different from what you have out there, but this is the promise. You get a lot more value with the $200 monthly service that I offer. You get a whole lot more value than the $200 that you pay for it. So the premium Forex signal service is here to help you. I'm aware that many people out there have been trading for years and they've not been able to sustainably make profits. But with this premium Forex signal service, you get to make a lot of profit with the signals that I offer, right? I only give signals that I take myself, so profits, a whole lot of profits are guaranteed, right? So come into my DM. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link, and let's chat about how you can be part of what I do, how you can benefit from this service that I offer. Yeah, so that's it. The Forex account management service and the premium Forex signal service. Forex account management service, which promises as much as 15 to 20% profit monthly. Yeah, so sometimes it might be lower than, sometimes it might be lower than that, sometimes it might be definitely much more than that for the Forex account management service, and you get your profits consistently. And for the premium Forex signal service, you get highly profitable trading signals that are derived from highly profitable trading systems that have been tested and trusted over the years. So thanks for watching today's video. Bye for now.